Checking full system info from the command line. Finding out exactly what's inside your computer through settings means clicking through several pages and still missing things. The command line answers in seconds. Here's what to use. The simplest is System Info, which prints a full report, Windows version and build, install date, manufacturer, model, processor, total and available memory, network adapters and installed updates. Redirect it to a text file and you have a permanent record. For hardware detail, PowerShell's Get Computer Info returns everything as properties you can filter. For specific components, the CIM commands query the processor, physical memory, disk drives and graphics separately, which is how you find memory speed or the exact model of an installed drive. For storage, get physical disk and get volume together give a complete picture. NDXDiag opens a window with a full graphics and sound report you can save as a text file for support.